Right, welcome to another Van Collective. Hey, with other like-minded people, and they're all here, or there, or there, or there. I might be around somewhere. Each week, each month, shall I say, we're all doing something different over the 12 months. So it makes it quite exciting, doesn't it? Makes it different.
Yeah, sorry.
Sue's edited. So this month for us is simple eats, like in the van. Cheap eats, simple eats, cheap eats, whatever. So I'm going to make naan breads. I cook a spaghetti bolognese to go with it, but you don't want to see that. So I'm going to show you how to make some naans cheaply. So I need 100 grams of flour, self-raising, oh, just enough. I've got some there for rolling out, and then the yogurt. 100 grams of yogurt. Now I didn't bring a bowl, so I'm going to use the same. I'm just going to put it up to 200. So mix 100 grams of the yogurt. Excuse me. Let me put that down. Right, so we've got the flour and the yogurt in here, and I'm going to mix it till it goes into a dough. Right, so I've kneaded it so it comes out like that. You just keep kneading it and kneading it and turning it until it's all mixed in together. Okay, so then I'm going to cut this into 4. Now you will need a little bit of flour on the board. You can roll them, but I've got a rolling pin. Put them in the flour and just press them down to shape them. That is a bit floury, but there. Right, okay, so I'm just heating the pan up, getting that nice warm. I've got some olive oil in there. I would usually use my frying pan, but obviously I haven't bought it. Make sure that's hot. Find the spatula. Where's the spatulas? There, at the back. So we get ready to fry it. Pop it in. Hopefully it won't stick because my frying pans are really good, but yeah, it's I'm going to, if I can find it, I don't know where it is. I was going to put some garlic on it, with it being spaghetti bolognese, be like garlic bread.
Garlic naan.
Garlic naan, yeah. See, it's starting to bubble up there. Doesn't take long. There we go, a little bit longer. It's so tasty, so tasty. And there, I flipped it over so you can see. I'll break one open when it's done, and then you can see what it's like inside. But just because I'm doing ours with spaghetti bolognese, you can use put honey on them, you can put cheese on them, put garlic in them. Just you can use them like a bread, really. So it's so easy to make, so easy. There we go. That's the end product. Very tasty. It's a bit hot still at the moment, so when we get our dinner, we'll show you what they're like inside. So here we are. There it is. looks just like bread, doesn't it? There, you can see it. Let's have it. Right, gonna eat my dinner.
They're good with cheese and
You could have jam on them, honey on them,
jam,
cheese, yeah.
whatever.
There we go.
And